slight waves for the past few days. And we put inside the mirrors to do the mirror activity. But I want you to, everybody to skim over this in your group. Everybody's got a packet, right? Okay, I gave you some materials. And what I gave you is a toilet paper roll, this shiny stuff is called Mylar. Evidently it's hard to find at Walmart, because if we hadn't, a pure happenstance, found this in the closet downstairs, we wouldn't be doing this activity. But anyhow, I want you to read about how light's reflected from a mirror. And then, this is a regular mirror. The first page you're gonna read how it is from just a flat mirror, something that you have in your bathroom or a full-length mirror. And then, on this side, you're going to talk about cylindrical mirrors. And what I'm going to want you to do, so you put a paper around Mylar. You're going to wrap your Mylar around your toilet paper tube, like this. And make a cylindrical mirror. And just hold it there, don't take it. Okay? And then you got two papers like this where you put the cylindrical mirror here, and I want you to see what you can see right here. Okay? Now we're going to talk about two different mirrors today before we go on to the activity. We're going to talk about concave and convex mirror. Okay, a convex mirror is shaped like this. And a concave is like this. Okay? And you can think of concave like a cave. When you look into it, look straight. But convex mirror, you will find these on the passenger side of your vehicle. And they say, objects in mirror are closer than they appear. And the reason why is because that mirror, unlike the driver's mirror, is curved a little bit. And that allows you to see further over and see more area around the vehicle. And that's a safety thing. But when you curve a mirror, as you'll find out, it distorts things. On a flat mirror, you'll be reading that the angles of light going into the mirror are reflected at that exact same angle. On a curved mirror, it's not the case. Convex mirrors are also, you know those big dome mirrors that you see in stores sometimes? That's a concave mirror, or a convex mirror, sorry. But anyhow, that allows you to see more. Now for the activity part, you're going to make a kaleidoscope today. Who knows what a kaleidoscope is? Good. That thing that you turn. Okay. To do this, it says to stick the two cups inside. Let's see what's that. Inside the tube, but you can't do that. I couldn't find the right size cup, so you're going to have to mount these on the outside of the tube like this. Now, you don't have to tape it to the tube. You can just hold it out and twist the two cups, tape the two cups together and twist it like that. Or you can twist the whole thing and do the whole thing. It doesn't matter either way. But here's how you're going to do it. You're going to take your Mylar and you're going to put it on this paper. And it says fold here and fold here. You're going to fold this end over and then you're going to fold this end over. Now you can't move it after you folded one edge. You can't move the Mylar over and then fold, because it should be a triangle shape when you get done. And you'll probably have to get a piece of tape and tape it at the top to get it to stay. Okay? Get it to stay in a triangle shape. Now for the other part, there's scissors in the back of the room. And it says here, to cut out pieces, I've got some translucent cover protectors here. And some of these pieces have already been cut out. Here's was my example. Right there. This is one from earlier. You're going to come up here, and there's already some shapes cut out if you don't want to cut them out, or you can take a piece and cut them out. And it says cut them out no more than 1 centimeter. A centimeter is from the tip of my thumb up. That's no bigger than that. It can be smaller. Don't make it powder, dust, or anything, but make it sizable, but less than a centimeter. And don't cram. You need about 15 pieces, 10, 15 pieces. If you put too many, in it when you put the cup on top of the cup, there's not gonna be enough space for all the pieces, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna sandwich that, and they're not gonna move. See, this one hardly moves, because they put way too many pieces in there, and they're too big. So, first, read everything. Read all the instructions. My first period did not read all the instructions, and they were asking for help, or somebody folded their Mylar wrong. And when you fold that Mylar, oh, these are off. If you fold the Mylar wrong, it puts a crease in it, and then it kind of ruins it. So, be sure, measure twice, cut once, kind of thing. Okay? But first, you're going to read the mirror part, and then you're going to go on, do the little cylindrical mirror, because you can't do it after you make your kaleidoscope. And then you're going to make the kaleidoscope. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. One person from each group, if you come up here and pick a couple of colors, you need 3 or 4 different colors. One person needs to go get them a couple colors. Here's the scissors if you need them. Now scissors are for cutting the transparent stuff up. I don't want to see scissors doing anything else. And I've got tape up here. I got some tape if who needs it.
No matter. Are you kind of more in there? Here, let me fold it.
What? Put it on the paper.
Don't bend that.
Yeah, he said it doesn't matter.
Follow where the arrows are.
If there's some fun, I come in and do this on one. It's supposed to be a fun activity.
Now, if you make a mess, you clean it up. Any little pieces of, the protectors in the floor, pick them up.
We only need 2 pieces. This is like, yeah, but I was gonna cut this one out.
You got
You can use this one as a model brand.
It is, I don't even know what.
Oh, I got it. So 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're getting mad at us.
Well, we gotta get
We need a measure, it has to be a certain length. Like, they have to be a certain length.
Let your millimeter on the shape.
See, is that how it's supposed to be? Because I thought. Oh, you're supposed to fold it
This is what you were supposed to do.
You're supposed to fold that and then fold it.
Fold it here.
Yeah, that's right. I got
Then fold this one here. And then use a little piece of tape that I got you. Cut down a little bit.
they're gonna be on the
See, there's our crack.
What's this for?
I don't wanna buy it.
Where you
Hold this up with your arm, put your hand like slightly. And they're both like wow, Brady already knows. I want some. I want some.
If he can eat that,
I don't know, I was the first one to do it. We're not done yet.
I just want to see if that. No, don't come in there. Don't think we're not yet in that way. I know, I don't think we're not.
Brady is the genius of the group.
What's the other?
This is just 2 times.
They're really good, the cherry cheese.
You got this right down on the.
So like,
What's it legal?
we got way more than 6.
We're just gonna wait for Brady to get back to do everything.
But use different, we need different ones. Stop, stop. Stop. That one's way too loose.
Morgan broke it. She did it without Brady.
You only did this.
Oh my.
Yes. Get, when you, at least